Welcome to Fast Tip Friday. This is Amy Bowser-Rollins with Litigation Support Guru. In today's tip, I want to show you how to capture web pages or a website using Adobe Acrobat. So I'm using Adobe Acrobat DC. I'm going to click on Tools and Create PDF. But before I do that, I want to show you what it looks like if you're using a different version of Acrobat. If you go to File, Create, and then say PDF from Web Page. That's the option that you can, this is what it'll look like in another version of Adobe. So I'm going to click on Create PDF, and then I'm going to choose Web Page. And then all you do here is put the URL for the site that you want to capture. I'm just going to do my website. And then you want to capture multiple levels, and I usually capture 2, which means it's going to go down 2 levels in the website. And then I usually check stay on same path and stay on same server. And then advanced settings, I usually leave them alone. They pretty much have everything we need. It's definitely going to create bookmarks for you, which is cool. And the settings in here have to do with fonts and stuff like that. I just leave everything the same. And then page layout, you can adjust this if you want, if it makes sense to, but otherwise I'm leaving it alone. And then you click create, and it starts to download the website. And it takes a minute before it will present the PDF file to you. So you have to give it a little bit of time here. Okay, so now you can see that it's starting to populate a PDF file with what it's finding on my website. So it's starting to build the bookmarks over here, and it basically just tries to grab the pages, each section of the website, and each path. Like these are categories right here, so it'll capture all the pages that are under those categories. So I'm not going to wait for it to finish. Sometimes you have to let this run all day or even overnight, depending on what you want. I will say that the pages themselves are not going to be perfect. It's not going to be a perfect representation, in other words, but it does do a pretty darn good job of capturing the pages if that's something you need for prosperity for a case or something like that. Okay, I hope you can put this tip to good use.